nigga production.
What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Kevlarr 82 TV, your positive car culture channel. Today, we're going to be heading up to 3.8 performance, dude, but that's not what today's video is primarily about. It's going to be reviewing something that I'm going to be using for the drive up there, dude. As you can see behind me, there's something on top of my car that looks kind of weird, a hat sticking up. I'm going to turn the camera around. I'm going to show you what I'm doing. I got this idea from another random YouTube video I found just browsing through YouTube, whatever. Something I could have came up with myself and I didn't think about it. And I'm just gonna turn around and then we'll get to it so I can explain to you what's going on in this video, even though the title is gonna say it's a review. So I'm gonna show you what I came up with or what someone else came up with, and it's actually an awesome idea. So go ahead, let's see what we're getting into. All right, so we got here is the little ghetto rig, or whatever you want to call it, MacGyver. Somebody MacGyvered something, came up with this crazy idea or whatever. If you don't know what a MacGyver is, I'm gonna spell it for you down below and Google it. MacGyver, he's a legend. So anyway, someone came up with this and I wish I would have came up with it, but it's pretty simple. What this is let me get focused. This is what comes from a selfie stick. Now I had a couple selfie sticks before I started using my camera. Before I started using my T3i, that's what I had. Now I have a T6i. And I used to use selfie sticks and cell phones. Well, this basically clamps the, takes the selfie stick, and the piece is broken off right here, as you can see, because it was kind of like a cheap one that was plastic made. But there are selfie sticks that you can actually take apart the little piece or whatever, and there's like the little clamp thing. There's also like stuff for your camera, your tripod and stuff to be able to attach a cell phone to it. Use anything like that clamps down on both ends on a cell phone like that, and you attach it to the bill of a hat, and that's it, dude. Now this one, I got lucky with this piece being extended right here, because this piece rests on my nose. It sounds goofy, looks goofy, but if you use a wide angle point of view, it's kind of like a GoPro. So it's a poor man's GoPro, you know what I mean? And for you guys that don't know, this is my 2014 Hyundai Genesis Coupe 3.8 Ultimate manual transmission. I will leave the link to everything done to this car in the description. It's a budget build. Every single thing I have on here is basically done on a budget, so it's not an expensive car, and I mean, it's not an expensive build, so anybody can do it. So we're gonna actually put this on, and I'm gonna show you what it looks like. It looks goofy on me, but it gets the job done. So go on and cut to that. All right, so here it is, man. I have it raised up, as you can see. The hat is not even on my head completely. You see the way the hat is? Because if I had it all the way down, the cell phone would be blocking my face. And like I said, this piece right here, which was broken off, it just rests on my nose. Not the most comfortable thing. I'll probably do some padding or something like that for it, whatever. Probably try to rig up some type of glasses thing for eyeglasses, like right here on my nose or somewhere on my nose, so it rests easy. But this is just something that you guys can do if you can't get a GoPro right now, but you want to do point of view shots or whatever for Instagram, for YouTube channel, whatever. You know, it's something that I'm going to be using until I get my GoPro in the next couple months. Early 2020, that's the goal, whatever. I'm trying to get a GoPro and head mount, everything like that. But I can still use this when it comes to the KTM Cruise, because I can do interior shots and exterior shots. So the GoPro will do the exterior shots, and then I'll give you 2 point of views on the same exact drive, same video. So yeah, I'm trying to do more angles, try to be more creative with my videos and everything like that. So this is cool for now, but enough about all that. Let's go ahead and get into the drive, and we'll see how it looks, man. Yep, get that cold start. I'm gonna go ahead and roll the window down so you guys can hear it. Yeah, she purrs. Yeah, but it sounds good, man. I love these cold starts, man. Oh yeah, echoes through the whole garage, man. Let it warm up and give you guys a quick rev. All right, so yeah, we're gonna give her a couple revs or whatever. You know, my neighbors ain't gonna be too happy, but let's go and hit the road, man. Let's go and get started with it, baby. Yeah, so you see what I gotta deal with, man. This is my block, and it's literally blind spots everywhere. As this car is like literally gonna pull out in front of me. Go ahead and go. Go ahead and go. See, that's what I gotta deal with, man. People just trying to pull out in front of me. Yeah, this block is annoying. But yeah, here we go. Oh yeah, she's sounding good right now. Little pop crack. Oh yeah. My little merge on over here. Give it some beans real quick. Woo! Man, I love that, dude. It's like every single tunnel, bro.
I-15 north for 33 miles.
So I got my navigation going or whatever, as you can see. Merging on. And yeah, y'all gotta stay tuned for the review of the muffler delete, man. It wakes the car up. I'm gonna tell you, it changes the dynamic. GTR noises, but those noises though, woo! This viewpoint, dude, I'm loving it, man. But at the end of the video, I'm gonna roll this up so you guys can actually hear. Oh, check out the Z4. Check that out. Nice. That's what I like about you can actually like film other cars that you see or whatever. Hopefully that was a good angle. I can't tell if the footage is good or not, so I'm only gonna know when I'm editing, because I can see the screen, but like at the time, like if I look up, which is not very safe. But I'm gonna tell you one thing, my view right now is perfectly fine. It's not obstructed. I can see clearly out since the position that I have it at right now. And another Z4, but this one's super clean. The other one looked kind of like dirty and buckety. This one actually looks kind of clean. So yeah, we'll go ahead and get some shots of the Z4. So let's roll the window down. See, look at him. And see, look, I'm filming him. Yeah, that was, his son was looking like, hey, look, Dad, he has like a phone attached to his head. Coming up on our right. So yeah, we're getting a little bit of action. Go ahead and let the Porsche go past us real quick. Can't even finish a sentence without cars that's going past. Oh, nice, dude. Looks like it's track driven too. It has some numbers on it. It has the guy's let me roll that up. Has the guy's name or whatever on it. Nice, dude. Takes that thing to the track. I like that. Cool. So yeah, one thing I forgot to do, I laughed when I thought about this, is I forgot to set my cell phone on an unlimited timer so it doesn't lock on me, or at least like a 5-10 minute timer or whatever. So if you go, it falls asleep too fast. It falls asleep within like a minute or 2 minutes of me not making any actions like recording. So yeah, we're pulling up. Gotta find the homie real quick. Let's see. Spotted a Jenny. Spotted a Jenny. This guy just stalled his SUV out right like as he's backing out or something. I don't know. But yeah, there it is. Ooh, let me stop and look at it real quick. Give y'all front row seat. So hop out on them real quick. So yeah, here it is. This is from my viewpoint, you know what I mean? Back up a little bit, let y'all see the whole thing. Ooh wee. Them Jenny boys is back at it again. Yes, sir. So yeah, give y'all front row seat. See what I'm looking at. Bam. People looking at me like, what is this guy doing? He has a cell phone mounted to his head. I'm like, nah, I give y'all a little bam. Look at that. Look at that low right there. Look at that low. I'm looking like a monster truck next to him. But yeah, enough of that, man. Let's go ahead and hit the road, man. Let's go and get started, baby.
Turn left onto Juniper Street and then next right onto Avenue.
Coupe boys.
Next left onto Walnut Street.
Yeah, his car's loud, man. Can't even hear mine barely.
Next left onto Raleigh Street. Broadway Avenue.
Oh, take that in. These two beautiful Genesis Coupes. Man, we love our cars, man. And it shows, man. I just love driving it. Shout out to my boy. Thanks for taking this route, man. He didn't make it on the way up, but on the way down, all this footage is the way down, leaving 3.8 performance, dude. Much more to come from both cars, man. Oh my goodness. Loving it, bro. Loving it. Loving the way my car feels right now. You'll get to see the installs I got done. This car is loud as heck, dude. You'll get to see the install video after this one. This one is just for the headpiece. My car is popping hard. Here we go, downshift. Woo! Yeah, here we go. Oh my goodness. Wait till you see what I got. The mods that I got done to the car today is the reason why I'm able to do this seamlessly. And I'm still taking it easy. You have more to go. Jesus Christ, man. The handling is just off the hook. Oh my goodness, dude. Yeah, that thing sounds ridiculous. Taping you, dog. Ha ha. Yeah, he didn't even know I was recording him, dude. Listen to that, dude. I think it's beautiful.
In a half mile, turn slide right onto I-15 South.
Views on views, man. Y'all check it out. Love the way this thing sounds. So yeah, hope you guys are enjoying the footage, man. If you're enjoying it, dude, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, and turn on notifications, man, because I'm gonna get you guys a lot of ridiculous footage, man, dude. Some videos, I have a lot of videos coming up, dude, of this car, my friends' cars, KDM movement, dog. I'm gonna be doing it. I'm gonna be doing it.
Destination is on your left.
All right, we're pulling up. And a half mile. Yeah, these roads are bumpy, so if you're lowered, yeah, just drive with caution or whatever out here in Hesperia. And the weather changed, man. Jeez, man. The weather's cold. Oh, look at this roller coaster hill right here. Oh, look. Another Jenny. I'm gonna follow him. Here we are. That's funny. I knew I heard something. Oh, look at this hill right here entering the complex. So we'll say what's up to the Jenny owner, and here we are, 3.8 performance, dude. First trip. Oh, hey. You guys get to be in the test video for this new camera setup, bro. Oh, what's up, homie? This is one of the homies right here. What's up, Doug? I've been watching you, man. This thing is crazy, homie. But yeah, here we are, 3.8 performance. You guys get a front row seat, you know what I mean? But yeah, we're gonna wrap up this video right here, and then the next one's gonna be the install. So yeah, that's gonna be it, dude. Hope you guys enjoyed it. All right, so that's gonna be it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it, man. We're out here at 3.8 Performance. This basically is gonna be a to be continued video because the next part we're gonna be installing the subframe shims. So stay tuned to that. That one's coming out right after this one, dude. So yeah, man, I'm not gonna keep you guys too long, but yeah, like I said, some of the advice I give you guys, dude, is make sure that the cell phone mount, for the cell phone mount thing, make sure that you keep the phone on full unlock mode, dude. Do not let it like fall asleep, because if it falls asleep, then you have to basically try to unlock it. It's unsafe while you're driving and everything like that. So yeah, follow those tips and tricks, and I'll catch you guys later, man. But before I end it, I want to say a couple other things about it. I enjoyed the viewpoint. Basically, it's good, man. I like it. It's good. It's a good substitute for the GoPro. The GoPro will be coming next year, 2020, man. We're gonna be doing big things, dude. So yeah, dude, that's about it, dude. I'll catch y'all later. As I said in all my videos, remember, always see the glass is half full, not half empty. It's your boy Kevin Smiley signing out. Kevlarr 82 TV. Peace. So y'all getting the behind the scenes look. You know what I mean? Subframe bushing shims and rigid collars being installed on the Genesis Coupe. But we got a little Jenny squad over here. You already know Genesis Coupe things happening. You know what I mean? My homie Brian Jones right here. You already know Q-Ron. Got Brian right there with his 2.0 R-Spec, getting his tune fixed and everything. Make sure she's running nice and clean. Dustin Davis, you know what I mean? 3.8 Performance. Don't mind the mess of his car or whatever, you know. Out here in Hesperia, man, it's dirt everywhere. All they have is dirt wind. Dirt wind. But yeah, there we go. The Jenny lineup, dude. Ooh wee, look at that.